I'm going to be showing you how to transform these old garage locks using Frenchic's Frenshimmer. Before you start transforming your items, it is important to just give it a good wash down with the concentrated sugar soap, and also do give it a good sanding if you've got any dust or flaky paint remaining on the locks just before you start. Lucky for me, Craig's done all the prep work and painted all the doors days ago, so it's time for me to get Frenchimmering. All I need to do before I start is just mask up around the locks. Always give your Frenshimmer a little stir before you start using it. Now I'm going to use a small paintbrush to apply it. Now that it's dry, I'm going to give it a second coat. You can apply a third if you feel it needs it, but now I'm going to just finish off by taking off the masking tape. So that's how easy it is to apply Frenshimmer, and if you're looking for more top tips, check out our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.